Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to sign up for Patmos Library programs using Signupcom on a mobile device. So there are two ways you can get to Signupcom. One is by looking at our Facebook posts and hitting the link there. That will bring you to Signupcom. Or you can go to patmoslibrary.org and hit these three bars in the upper left hand corner to open our menu. Go to Departments, and then select Adult or Youth, depending on what you're looking for. We're going to go to Youth for this example. And then scroll down to the bottom and hit the button under Digitally RSVP. That'll bring us to signup.com. And then select the month you're looking for by hitting the orange arrow next to it. We're going to look for the YA and Tween book box here. It doesn't show event names here, but if you click on the date, the event name will come up. So here is the YA and Tween book box, so we are going to select that. And then you see that there are 3 spots available, so hit sign up. And then enter your email, hit next, or if you've used sign up before, you can log in. Or log in with Facebook or Google if you don't want to go through the sign up process manually. And that is how you find our programs and sign up on signup.com using a mobile device.